Today we're on Ben's Bagels tour through New York's East Village.
This is our tour of the Lower East Side of New York. Basically, we're going to be looking at the Jewish aspect of the Lower East Side. Not that much left, but I'm here to show you what was, what still is, what could be. This is a real knish, not the square ones that you may see. It's basically spiced mashed potato with a crust over it.
That's so nice.
Even with the millennials who live here now, the hipsters, they will still come in after like a night of partying.
This isango tour offers a trip down memory lane for hungry travellers keen to uncover a part of New York's heritage often missed.
As far as food is concerned, we're going to see York Everything Bakery. We're going to go by Katz's Deli, Cotton Candy, very, very famous place, the Pickle Guy, and Coaster's Bialys. This is Katz's Deli. Very typical food, the type of food that your heart says, if you feed me any more of this, I will give you a heart attack. Send a salami to your boy in the army. And that's how Katz really came into being, that everybody knew it. I'm a native New Yorker. I've been doing this for 5 years, born in the neighborhood, so I've seen the good, the bad, and some ugly too. A lot of history, because you have to understand the history to understand the Lower East Side. It's changed over the last 150 years dramatically.
These tours feel more personal because they are. Each experience is run by Ben himself, and he goes to great lengths to make sure travellers walk away with the whole story of the Lower East Side, from its first inhabitants to today's hipsters.
Been here since 1935.
I've been coming here for over 60 years.
Wow.
I shouldn't give away my age, but
It's our secret, no problem.
Across 2.5 hours, you'll follow Ben to the bakeries, delis, sweet shops and markets that have long held a special place in New Yorkers' hearts, and try the most popular drinks and eats these places dish up daily.
They're really nice though.
Well, they're fresh.
Yeah, they're super
Everything that you
fresh.
get here is fresh. Coaster's Bialys, which started here in 1935.
And of course, what would Ben's Bagels tours be without munching on your very own bagel? Catch you later!